Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mailandi Putra Pamungkas. My name A51021012X. I am majoring primary school teacher education, University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta. I'm here I will explain to my article about management of the use of virtual media towards learning interest of class 5 student in Indonesian language material at Muhammadiyah 1 Elementary School, Surakarta. First, the importance of virtual media management in learning. In education, management involves the efficient creation and dissemination of knowledge through teaching, practice, learning, leadership, and control. Wahyudin et al. 2020. The development of digital technology encourages educational management of to implement technology-based learning with innovative strategies, enhancing skill and knowledge in school. One interactive learning medium that can be utilized is Wordwell. Based on the above description, this research aims to explore the management of virtual media usage in relation to the learning interests of fifth grade students in Indonesian language material. The main focus of this study is to explore how virtual as a technology-based learning medium can be effective utilized in Indonesian language learning and its impact on student engagement and learning interest. Next, research objective. Number one, reveal the role of using virtual technology on the learning interest of grade 5 student in Indonesian language subject at elementary school Muhammadiyah Ketelan. Number two, reveal the effect of using virtual media on the learning interest of grade 5 student in Indonesian language subject at elementary school Muhammadiyah Ketelan. Number three, describe the effective of using virtual media on the learning interest of grade 5 student in Indonesian language subject at elementary school Muhammadiyah Ketelan. Methods, my type of research, qualitative descriptive, data source, number one, teacher, number two, student, number three, parent of grade 5. Data collection technique view, number one, observation, number two, interviews, number three, the documentation. To ensure data validity, this study used triangulation of method and source, which aim to increase the credibility and validity of the research ratio. Result number one, the use of virtual. The use of virtual at elementary school Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta saw a positive impact. Number one, teacher have a good technological skill and view virtual as an innovative, engaging tool that creates a dynamic learning environment. Number two, students feel happy, motivated, and more active due to interactive and enjoyable lesson. Number three, parent support is used because their children are more enthusiastic about learning. Number two, the impact of virtual. The use of virtual at elementary school Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta has a significant impact on student engagement and learning interest. Number one, teacher observed that students are more enthusiastic and actively participate due to the game-like learning experience. Number two, students respond positively, feeling happy, more focused, and curious, especially when competing in quizzes and answering questions. Number three, parents support its use as their children are more eager to study at home and engage in independent learning. Number four, Wordwell also boosts interest in subject considered difficult, such as Indonesian language, making students more active in discussion and research. Number three, the effective of Wordwell. The effective of Wordwell is evident strokes. Number one, increase student interest, attention, and understanding during learning. Number two, teacher report a more dynamic and meaningful classroom atmosphere compared to traditional lectures, with students staying focused despite active interaction. Number three, parents feel support as what will help improve their children material comprehension at home. Number four, student learning outcomes show significant improvements in engagement, participation, and understanding through game-based learning. Number four, research limitation. Number one, teacher challenge difficulty in creating engaging goal-oriented visual content due to time constraint and limited training in interactive material development. Number two, student variation. Some students remain passive, especially those with low self-confidence or learning styles better suits to traditional methods. Number three, external factor. The study did not explore external influence such as the home learning environment and parental involvement in depth limited scope. Number four, research was conducted in only one school, focusing solely on Indonesian language lesson for fifth grade students, effective affecting the generalizability of the finding. And this discussion, the study confirmed that what will positively impact student learning interest and engagement consistent with Shahroni et al. 2024, Pradani 2022, and Pascoro et al. 2023, who highlights its interactive game-like feature that boosts motivation, confidence, and classroom participation. However, challenges remain such as teacher limits time and technical skill to create engaging content and some studying passive behavior due to differing learning styles. These findings suggest the need for teacher training and personalized learning approach. Future research shall explore what will long-term effect across different school subjects and factors like digital literacy and parental support. And conclusion, this research show that the use of virtual at elementary school Muhammadiyah 1 Surakarta has a positive impact on the learning process. Teachers have good technology skill and regard virtual as an innovative tool that creates a dynamic learning environment. Students are more motivated, active, and enjoy interactive learning, while parents are supportive as their children are more enthusiastic about learning at home. The use of virtual increase student engagement, especially in subjects that are considered difficult, such as Indonesian language. Teacher note that students are more focused, enthusiastic, and active is in discussion and solving problem. This game-based learning also makes the class more dynamic compared to the traditional lecture methods. In addition, the effective of virtual is proven by the significant increase in student interest, comprehension, and learning outcomes. That's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.